The ongoing farmers' protest at the Punjab-Haryana Shambhu border is not ready to stop. It's been a contentious issue, and recent developments have sparked significant debate. Let's delve into the latest updates. The Supreme Court's recent decision regarding a plea related to the protest has garnered attention. The court declined to consider a petition urging the centre to address the farmers' reasonable demands and remove barricades in their peaceful march towards the national capital. The petition highlighted concerns regarding the farmers' right to freely travel throughout the country, as guaranteed by Article 19(1)(d) of the Constitution. However, the bench urged against filing petitions solely for publicity based on newspaper reports. The bench told the council, and I quote, "Be careful. The High Court is also seized on a similar issue and has given directions. We are not taking a stand on anything. Do your research. These are complex issues." The plea also raised allegations of aggressive measures by state governments against protesting farmers, including the use of tear gas and rubber bullets. It claimed that such actions undermine the democratic rights of the protesters. The plea says, and I again quote, "The actions taken by the state governments by creating fortification across the borders of the national capital, creating hostile and violent situations against its peaceful citizens, and not allowing the farmers to exercise their democratic rights." Furthermore, the petition emphasized the farmers' demands for the implementation of the Swaminathan Committee's recommendations and criticized the fortification of state borders to prevent their entry into national capital. These developments underscore the complex dynamics of the farmers' protest and the broader issues at stake. One India will continue to monitor the situation closely and provide updates as they unfold. Stay tuned.